everybody and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable subtitles in Disney Plus. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, this works both the same on mobile phones and on PC, so you don't have to worry what kind of platform you are on. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and find the show or the movie that you want to watch. So let's say we are scrolling and this is the show that we want to watch. So go ahead and click on the show and click on the play button, which will bring you to the show starring and you can watch it. So guys, when you have done that, you will be brought to this page right here, which will open up the show for watching. So what we want to do guys is go ahead in the upper right corner, all the way up, you will see this button right here that's next to the cast button, this subtitle button. You want to go ahead and click on that. Clicking on that guys, you can see this has opened up now this subtitle option where we can select what language we want, if we want them on or off, what kind of audio we want, and so on and so on. If you click this settings option right here in the right corner where my mouse is, go ahead and click on that. You'll see that you can change how your subtitles look, you can change the color, the font, the size, and so on and so on. So guys, after doing that, just exit out of this, go back, and it will automatically save itself, and then you can start watching your show with subtitles. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.